Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Teachable referral tracking using unique affiliate links, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Teachable referral tracking using unique affiliate links, follow these steps. Log in to your Teachable account. Navigate to the affiliate section from the dashboard. Click on Settings to access the affiliate program settings. Make sure that your affiliate program is enabled. If it's not, toggle the switch to enable it. Next, go to the Links tab within the Affiliate section. Here, you will find an option to create unique affiliate links. Select the course for which you want to generate the referral link. Copy the unique link that is generated for the selected course. Distribute this link to your affiliates. Encourage them to share this link within their networks. Now, it's important to set up proper tracking. Go to the Tracking subsection of your affiliate settings. Choose how you want to track referrals. You can set it through cookies or directly by link tracking. Ensure that your tracking method aligns with your business needs. Once your tracking method is selected, save your changes. Next, inform your affiliates about how to properly use their unique links. Provide them with guidelines on sharing effectively. Monitor your affiliate dashboard regularly for new referrals. Check the performance of your affiliates using the analytics provided. It's crucial to keep communication open with your affiliates. Address any concerns they may have about the tracking process. This will help maintain trust and encourage more referrals. Finally, review your affiliate program periodically for improvements. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize your referral tracking system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.